Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your wallpaper on HUAWEI MateBook D16. I'm gonna show you two ways. The first one is gonna be pretty quick, the second one is gonna be more advanced. So the quick method is to go either to File Explorer or have the picture you want to set as wallpaper on your desktop. So I have it on desktop, but you can also go to the File Explorer here and find the picture in, for example, Downloads folder. Then right click on it and then click on Set as Desktop Background. If you cannot see it, click on Show More Options and you'll see it here. So I'm gonna click on that and now it is set. But now let's go to the more detailed method, which not only allows you to set a picture as a wallpaper, but also like a color or something else. And you can also do a slideshow or adjust the size of the picture on the wallpaper. So in order to do this, you need to go to Settings and Personalization, then go to Background, and here you can adjust all the settings. I'm gonna show you all of them. The first one is the type of background, so either a picture, a solid color, you can choose the color, a slideshow, then you can select a folder from which the slideshow will be made, or window spotlight, so it will automatically set a wallpaper based on its like window spotlight stuff, so it'll just show you good views. I'm gonna leave it as picture, as this cat picture. You can click on Browse Photos to find the photo here, or you can also choose the fit to your desktop image to like fit depending on the size of the image. Sometimes it'll fix distorted images, so it's just based on your preference. You need to test it out yourself. If your image is distorted, then you can adjust it here. And this is all you can do with your wallpaper on this laptop. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.